This may look like nothing more than a dry, rocky landscape, but this is an actual close-up view of the surface of Mars. Every crack, every layer, every texture in this image could be preserving clues from billions of years ago. At first glance, the terrain looks silent and lifeless. But to planetary scientists, images like this are incredibly important, because Mars wasn't always the frozen desert we see today. Long ago, this planet may have had flowing rivers, lakes, and possibly an environment capable of supporting microbial life, and the evidence might be hidden right here, inside these rocks. The most noticeable feature in this image is the fractured layered rock formations. Scientists believe these layers formed slowly over time as sediment settled one on top of another, similar to the way rock layers form on Earth in ancient riverbeds, lake floors, and coastal regions. What makes this fascinating is that layered rocks usually tell a geological story. Each layer may represent a different period in Mars's history, a time when the climate changed, dust storms intensified, or liquid water interacted with the surface. In other words, these rocks could be acting like a natural time capsule from ancient Mars. Now look closely at the long cracks spreading across the rocks. Mars experiences some of the most extreme temperature swings in the entire solar system. During the day, temperatures can rise significantly under sunlight, but at night, they can drop far below freezing. Over millions of years, this constant cycle of heating and cooling causes rocks to expand and contract repeatedly. Eventually, the stress becomes so intense that the surface begins to fracture and split apart. That's likely what we're seeing here. A landscape slowly reshaped by time, cold, and harsh Martian weather. Another interesting detail appears in the center of the image. You can see smoother, dusty terrain surrounded by rough and jagged rock textures. This contrast suggests that powerful Martian winds may have eroded softer materials away over time, leaving behind harder and more resistant rock structures. Even today, Mars experiences massive dust storms that can cover entire regions of the planet. These winds act almost like natural sandblasting machines, slowly carving and reshaping the surface over millions of years. And that process may explain many of the patterns visible in this image. Here's where things become even more intriguing. Some of these rock textures and patterns look surprisingly similar to dried lake regions found on Earth. That similarity is one reason NASA continues studying Martian rocks so carefully, because wherever scientists find evidence of ancient water, they also begin asking another question. Could life have existed there too? Even microscopic organisms would completely change our understanding of life in the universe, and Mars may still hold the answer. For the latest discoveries about Mars, the Moon, and other space, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, The Documentary World. Thanks for watching.